Here's a terrific update in the April 2021 release of OpenBOM. OpenBOM will now find and update the correct entry in your catalogs for items coming from CAD, and we will not make duplicates when you don't want us to. So here's a great example. I have an item master, a catalog in OpenBOM for my containers called Container Item Master. It's got some part numbers and a little bit of information. I imported this from Excel. So now I come along in my design and I open up the base and I say, let's give the base the correct part number, CC1000. So once I do that and I click on Save Item, we are going to find that item. We're going to find that item in the correct catalog and give you the opportunity to update it. And we click on Update. And once we do that, I'll reload the catalog here. Once we do that, we'll see that the existing item was updated with the new information from CAD. So that's how the new, we call it merge, works for changes coming from anywhere into existing catalog items. So we merge with the appropriate part number and do not create duplicates. I hope you find that useful.